A lot of people think for you to make money on YouTube, you literally have to wait for YouTube to start paying you. I just recently hit 1K subscribers on YouTube, and the YouTube paycheck is around the corner. But before that paycheck starts coming in, I want to tell you how have been monetizing my YouTube channel even before YouTube paycheck comes in. YouTube basic requirement for you to start making money on YouTube is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. A lot of people think that you literally have to wait to get to that point before you start making money on YouTube. Today I'm going to be telling you 5 ways I'm monetizing my YouTube channel even before waiting for YouTube Adsense or waiting for YouTube to start paying me. And the 5th point is literally the way I have been monetizing my YouTube channel up until now. Without any further ado, let's jump right in. The best way to make money on YouTube before YouTube actually starts paying you is through affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing simply means that you get a site that offers affiliate partnership for creators, and you share whatever products they sell on that website to other people for them to buy. So when other people buy that product from the website company gives you a certain amount of percentage for other people buying products on their website. Now, companies like Amazon, to mention but a few, and other websites out there offer these types of affiliate partnership with creators. To do is to search them out, and I'm sure you'll find a ton of them, who offer affiliate marketing by means of affiliate links and commissions to creators. The second way to make money on YouTube before YouTube starts paying you is through digital products. Now, this is a gold mine. You might have seen some people online saying they sell this digital product or that digital product. Yes, creating digital products, that people want, that helps solve a particular problem, helps you to be able to monetize your YouTube channel. So you see that description box down there. It is a whole gold mine, I tell you. Any link you literally put on that website takes, in the description below, takes people to whatever product you're selling, whether it's affiliate or, your personal product, and gets them to buy. So you literally have to be making very good use of that description box below. So you can create digital products that helps people. Digital products around, cooking, around how to grow on YouTube, around how to, and, put it out there for people to buy. So whoever watches your content, after making sure your content will reach out to a lot of people. By the way, if you want to know how I scaled my channel from 300 to 1,000 subscribers in less than 4 months, watch this video right here. You'll also be able to watch a video to know some content strategies to attract people to your channel, for them to be able to even go to your description box to see what goodies you have there. You want to also check out that video right here. The third way to make money on YouTube before YouTube starts paying you is creating an online course. It's quite different from a digital product, because an online course, you have to be live. Okay, so you can show people how to cook. You can show people, how to do things around your niche. So you can show people how to get things done around the niche or around the niche of the content that you're creating on YouTube. It's totally going to help people, and so it's going to bring you money. The first way to make money on YouTube before YouTube starts paying you is to become a virtual assistant. Yes, so if you're a graphic designer, you're a music producer, you're a Photoshop guy, you know how to retouch very well, you know how to sew or what have you, you can literally be a virtual assistant from wherever you are to anyone in the entire world. So all you need to do is to put out your services, in that same description box. First of all, you want to create a portfolio around what you do. There are tons of free, websites and tools to use in creating a free portfolio for yourself. Canva is one, so you can just go on Canva and check out portfolio design. So you want to create a portfolio for yourself, and let people know what services you offer and how they can contact you, and your service charge or your service rate as well. So you can literally be a virtual assistant for anyone in the world, making thousands or even millions of dollars. way to monetize yourself or monetize your YouTube channel even before YouTube starts paying you, like I said, is the one that I currently am making money from, is to use YouTube or other social media platforms as a social proof for your products and services. So some of you might not know that I'm a photographer, and I'm also into styling and basically creating personal brand style for people, from makeup, hairstyling, and all of that, to create their own personal brand style. And so I've been using YouTube to just let people know what I do, and people get to book me from YouTube, knowing fully well that this is what I do. I get booked, and because I put out content around weddings as well, because of my styling, work. So I let people know I'm a stylist, and I style for weddings as well. If you want to check out, if you check my story, you see I always post works around wedding styling and all of that. So it allows people to know, oh, this is what I do, and I have a very good graphic eye. My photography, is bomb. I will leave all my links in the description for you to check out all my works. So I use this as a means of letting people know what I do, and thereby allowing them book me through the platform. And this is what I have been doing, or this is how I have been making money even before, while waiting for the YouTube check or the YouTube Adsense to completely monetize my channel to start getting money from YouTube. Watch this next video right here to be able to see some content strategies for you to get people to actually come to your description box to see what you have down below.